Hi, I'm Cindy. You're looking at my new Bambu Lab X1 Carbon 3D printer that I got about a month ago. And that printer is replacing this Monoprice Maker Select V2 that I've had for about 8 years. And it was a trusty little machine, but it was time for an upgrade. And I will have more about the printer itself in another video, but for now I wanted to show you everything that I printed in the first month with this printer. So here we are. When I first got the printer, I printed a few small things, like the Benchy, of course, and the Christmas clips, the earrings. And I know that some people will see this and have some comments about the functionality of these items that I've printed, but cut me some slack here because it is almost Christmas and I've been playing with this printer for about a month, and I think all these things are really fun. And basically all of these are going to go up around my house and on the tree right after this video is done. So here we have a Santa sleigh candy holder, which I think is really fun. The parts are glued together. They were all printed separately. Behind it is this really cool fireplace setup with a little tea light in there. I have a spool that I printed for the AMS to use refills from Bambu Lab, because a lot of their filament doesn't come with a spool. Then I went kind of crazy about vases, and I printed several of these, and they're all really cool. They're very light, but they're really nice. Printed the little tiny one, and then I attempted the same pattern with this dual colored silk PLA, but it bottom stuck to the bed, so I can still put flowers in there, but I obviously would not put water in. I printed the star for the Mario star for the top of our Christmas tree. I have to glue on the eyes. The entire giant brick wreath and all of the little pieces that go on it. I think these are really fun. Using some carbon fiber filament, printed this desk organizer, which has a little drawer that slides in and out. It's also fun. And in there are some Christmas ornament hooks. There's some door corners that I will put up all around the house. And I love minions, so some of those. An ornament for my 9-month-old daughter, commemorating her first Christmas. And this is actually a statue of her. This is not just any baby, but it is my daughter. Maker Lab has a feature where you can take a photo and it creates a 3D model, and I printed it in marble. And this little statue, behind that is a travel foldable tripod for the camera, for the phone, so I will probably use that to make some videos that I will be in. This ornament, this is a good lesson, and I'll explain it another time, but you can see the colors are not quite right there. You can see the black coming through, but it's a fun print because the system uses 4 different colors at once and switches out between them. What else do we have? Some melted snowman coasters and some Winnie the Pooh coasters. Oh yeah, behind that is a poop bucket for the printer. And also for the printer, these two adapters to use smaller spools in the AMS. Those are really great. So I do have some functional prints here, although a lot of this is just for fun. Several Christmas ornaments in this dual color silk. They look really nice. Some more ornaments. This is a napkin holder. This is a little countdown calendar with a little tea light in it. Some dragons from a Patreon, which I will link to. Cat bowl. Almost all of these files are from Maker World, which is Bambu Lab's system where creators can upload their files for printing. These ornaments are really cool. They look 3D, but they're not. But they're really fun. And this one, my name on it, and it spins. Let's see. And some flowers that I will also print stems for to put into the vases. So yes, it's a lot of Christmas stuff, but you can see how much stuff I printed in a month. Oh, these little cats here, they're supposed to hold little poop pieces like yarn. Oh, and by the way, I print a lot during the day, but I haven't left the printer on overnight. It's not that I won't do that, but I just haven't done it yet. So this is all, you know, a lot of printing during the day, but nothing unattended. And that is everything I wanted to show you. And in my first month, I have picked up some interesting tips and tidbits for beginners, and I'll be making some more videos about that. So stay tuned, and happy holidays. Thanks for watching.